Let's decorate the cutest and easiest pink bowl cake together. Hi beautiful people, I'm back again with another beautiful piece. When this order came in, I was really excited, but it wasn't because I had not made a bowl cake before. I've actually made quite a number of beautiful bowl cakes, but I never got a chance to record the process of any of them. It was either we had a lot to do and we were running out of time, or I just forgot entirely until it was almost ready. So the beautiful thing about this particular one is that it's different from the regular bowl cakes. The likes of the vintage and the rest of them. So I started off with my first coating, which was in white, and I just made sure I scraped properly until I got a smooth finishing. And that was it. And just so you know, this method right here is the easiest way to tie a bow. I held my ribbon in 2 loops and knotted it into a bow. That was all. I also like to cut out the angled shape from the tips of my ribbons. I think it makes the bow more beautiful. And as for the candle, I tied another ribbon on it and knotted it into a bow just like the previous one. Then I proceeded to melt some white chocolate. I added a little bit of Acabado baby pink to achieve this shade of pink, and I just spread it out to the edges with a palette knife. I'll be using the writing tape for the drapes because of the type of drapes I want to achieve. I want very thin and short ones. I also made it this thick because if it was more runny than this, it would have run down quickly, which was what I was trying to avoid. Then I proceeded to pipe some cute little bows with my leftover pink. It's really amazing that this customer has been patronizing me for about 8 years or more now. I started with our birthday cakes, and then I made a beautiful wedding cake. After then, I started making the husband's cake, and now the newest and cutest addition that has been added to your family, your baby. I made a daughter's 6 months cake recently, and I'm really looking forward to the masterpiece we're creating for a big one. And then what's a birthday cake without a beautiful message in it? So, another thing I like about this cake, the one thing I like most, that I love most about this cake is its simplicity. It's simply beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So right here, I just attached the final bowl before the chocolate dries off. And if it dries off, don't worry, just add a little bit of chocolate a little bit of chocolate behind your bowl or on the exact spot you want to place it on the cake, and it will hold firmly. It was when I was recording this video that I remembered I didn't add some acts just as my customer requested, so I had to quickly fix that. And there you have the cutest pink bowl cake you would come across today. Please don't forget to like, drop a comment, and please follow if you haven't. Till next time, bye.